Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card with the Sweet Strawberry Bundle. Okay, so this is the Sweet Strawberry Bundle. It originally appeared in the January through June catalog earlier this year, or was it last year? I think it was earlier this year. And the paper was in Celebration, and unfortunately the paper is no longer available, but the bundle is still a bundle for 10% off, which is great. And I am offering a kit, but it will be modified, and I'll explain that later. And I'll be showing you what you can do instead of using the paper. But sorry to tease you, I will be using the retired Celebration paper to show you this extended fun fold card. I have some paper left over, and I designed it already, so sorry. I'm just gonna show you paper. So I already got one strawberry done, it looks like. But that's what I'm going to do. So, because I created all of this earlier when all these things were available, and I'm just gonna show you alternatives to what this is. So for this card, you're gonna start off with a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 base of garden green. And then you're going to take any DSP that you like, that you want. And you can start off with any card base that matches your DSP. Or you can take a piece of 12 by 5 1/2 white, basic white, and you're gonna score it at 2, 4, and 8. So 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, okay? And you're gonna fold it in and over, and then the half you're gonna fold back over so that you get something that looks like this. And then we're going to adhere it to the card. This is a super easy one. And so if you are using the 12 by 12 white, or I'm sorry, the 12 by 5 1/2 white, you are just gonna basically use your strawberries to stamp your strawberries all over in your leaves and your flowers, and you're gonna create your own designer series paper using the beautiful stamp set. So that's what you're gonna do on those two panels. And then I apologize, these are stitched circles, shapes, but I already cut them out, so I'm gonna use them. But you can use the layering circles dies, and they will be very similar sizes and pretty much look the same. And will work the same for this. And I'm just gonna layer that on there, and then I'm going to add 2 dimensionals to only the right side and put them on the right side of the card, so only the right. Otherwise I'll be sealing this closed, and I don't want to seal it closed, I want it to open. So open, okay. Then I'll stamp a strawberry and stem to show you how I did that. But first I'm gonna do what's inside. So I made it a birthday card. I stamped happy birthday, you sweet thing, in gorgeous, garden green. There's so much alliteration used in all of these stamp sets. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. So we'll just adhere that to the inside, and this is a piece of 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, or you could do 3 3/4 by 5, but I made it tight, super tight. But it would be fun to do 3 3/4 by 5, because then you could see more of the designer series paper. So up to you. Okay, so that part is done. So now we just need some strawberries and some stems. So I'm gonna stamp a stem. So I'm gonna do the fill in one first. Do it kind of this way. I'm gonna do 2, just in case. Why not? Okay, and then I'm gonna do the outline. Sorry if my head gets in the way, but I want to line this up. See, like I said, that's why I did 2. Okay, that's better, but not the best. Sorry, a little bit OCD here. Let's try again. It just looks so nice when you line it up. There we go. Sorry, it just means I have to really get my head over it. Those are better. Okay, so those are the stems. And then for the strawberries, so the reason why I stamped them upside down is because when you look at the punch, the strawberries upside down, because I'm gonna insert the paper in like this. So the strawberries upside down. And then for the stems, I'm gonna insert the paper in like this. And I think I'm gonna need a little help. So I'm gonna get my little, where's my little Post-it note? I use a Post-it note to help me. This I just got like at the dollar store, and you can just put that on there. I got 2. I guess you could use 2. And then that'll help extend my reach here, extend my possibilities. Yay! I'll just put that down there. Oh, I'm gonna cut this off though. Okay, let's see if I can get this to fit. Nope. So I am gonna use the other one. Double. This one's kind of flimsy though. Flimsy, so I have to drop it in. And then go like this. Then I can line it up. And then I can punch. There we go. And I punched the Post-it note, which doesn't matter because it was only $1 for like hundreds of Post-it notes. So it's fine. Okay, so now the strawberry. So similar thing, but this time I'm gonna stamp off because I want the strawberry to be lighter. So I'm gonna use Poppy Parade. And I'm gonna grab a scrap piece so I can stamp off. Off, and then do strawberry. I'm gonna do a couple. And then I'm spacing them out, and I'll show you why. It's because I don't want to punch the flower out of the strawberry. So I have to do a little bit of spacing. So now I want my outline to be full strength. Hopefully you saw that. I was kind of in the corner there. Okay. Yay. I think I need to re-ink this pad. It looks kind of dry. Okay, those look nice. All right, so I'll show you when I punch, there's a flower. See, the flower is gonna punch out right there, so I don't wanna put my strawberry too close or it would punch my strawberry too. So I gotta space out the strawberries. Whee! Otherwise they can punch out the flower can punch out my strawberries. Okay, so I just did 3 strawberries. I only need 1. I have 2 flowers. I'm gonna put these 2 strawberries away. And I only need 1 stem. Put away a stem. Flower from the paper, how'd that get there? Okay, so to put the stem on, I like to use glue dots. Makes it nice and easy, and they're strong. Got some kind of adhesive on me, imagine that. Let's just put that on there. And then this already has a dimensional on it. So I'll just put that right on there, and then we'll get Another one. We'll put it up here, and there we go. There's our extended fun fold card. So fun. So, here are the cards in the card kit that I'm doing. And like I said, it will be modified because the paper is no longer available. So on this card, I will substitute some of this paper. It'll be one of these designs or one of these designs for the background paper here. And then I'll give you a piece of basic white for this piece here that you'll stamp strawberries and leaves on to create a similar kind of DSP. And then for this card, I'm gonna give you some of this paper, one of these, to stamp this, punch out the strawberries. And then I'm going to give you some garden green to put back here. And I'm going to give you a piece of basic white for the center of the tower card. And you're gonna stamp the strawberries and leaves and flowers on it. So it'll still look gorgeous. It'll be a fun card kit to make, and it'll be free when you purchase the bundle. Scoot everything down so you can see the wonderful sweet strawberry bundle. So use my current hostess code when you're purchasing the bundle and email me and let me know that you would like this sweet strawberry card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you for watching my stamping tutorial on the Sweet Strawberry Bundle. Be sure to check out my other videos on the Sweet Strawberry Bundle and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video, and give me a thumbs up if you like my video and leave some comments for me and some love as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.